All right, so we're gonna add a warm-up into every dry fire day from now till the Tactical Games regional event, meaning we're gonna work on slow, precise shots to anticipate those precision shots you'll see at a Tactical Games. I'm gonna focus on a very small target here and making sure that I'm very precise with my breathing and breaking the trigger. So you have to know how much creep is in your trigger and how much pressure to apply while all trying to be steady with your rifle. So I'm gonna come up on target, I'm very steady, I find that small target, I am here, I see it on target, and I break the shot, I come off the trigger, not pinning it to the rear, I'll rack it again, get back on target, nice and precise, and I'll do that for 20 reps. Really focus on being visual patient. Your reticle may look like it's moving a lot. Try to find ways to steady it by tightening your sling just a hair.